Hi friends, it's me, Miss Angie. How are you? And thank you for joining me. Today I have an activity that we're going to do together. It's called I Can Build Simple Words by Lakeshore, where we explore words that have the vowel letters in it. Like this, A, E, I, O, and U. Today we're working on the letter I, vowel letter. So be sure to join me on other videos where we complete the series. Let's take out our letter I. Okay, so here we have some letters inside of the box, and we have to match them and find out what's missing here to spell out our word. So let's get started. So here on the first one, we have a picture of a fin, the fin of the fish. But there's a letter missing here in the middle. Which letter is missing on the word fin?
The I.
That's right, the I. Now let's spell the word fin and place the letters on the board. Fin is spelled F-I-N.
N.
Now let's make a sentence. Oops, that one fell down. Let's get it back. Let's make a sentence with the word fin. Okay. Can you say, the fish has a fin on the top?
The fish has a fin on the top.
Good job. Okay, let's go to this one over here. We have a picture of a pig, that's right. But here it's missing a letter. Which letter is missing here on the word pig?
The G.
That's right, the G. Let's spell the word pig and put our letters on the board. Pig is spelled P-I-G.
G.
That spells pig. Now let's make a sentence with the word pig. Can you say, the pig lives on the farm?
The pig lives on the farm.
Good job. Okay, let's keep going. Here we have a picture. The arrow's pointing to the baby's bib. That's right. But here, the word is missing a letter. Which letter is the word missing?
A letter B.
That's right, a letter B. Let's spell the word bib. Bib is spelled B-I-B.
B.
Now let's make a sentence with the word bib. Can you say, the bib goes on the baby?
The bib goes on the baby.
Good job. Let's keep going. Here we have a picture of a lid, but it's missing a letter here at the beginning. Which letter is missing on the word lid?
The letter L.
That's right, the letter L. Let's spell it out. Lid is spelled L-I-D.
D.
Now let's make a sentence with the word lid. Can you say, the lid goes on the jar?
The lid goes on the jar.
Good job. Okay, next one. Here we have a picture of a wig. That's right. But the word is missing a letter here. Which letter is missing here on the word wig?
The letter G.
That's right, the letter G. Let's spell the word and put the letters on the board. W.
W.
I. G.
G.
Now let's make a sentence with the word wig. Can you say, the wig goes on the head?
The wig goes on the head.
Good job. Okay, next one, right over here. We have a picture of a man, and he is digging. Dig is the word. Can you figure out which letter is missing on the word dig?
A letter D.
That's right, a letter D. Let's spell the word. Dig is spelled D-I-G.
G.
Now let's make a sentence with the word dig. Can you say, The man will dig a hole.
The man will dig a hole.
Good job. Okay, next one. It's pointing to this here in the middle of the peach. It's called a pit. But the word pit is missing a letter here at the end.
The letter T.
What do you think that letter is? That's right, the letter T. Let's spell the word pit and place the letters on the board. Pit is spelled P-I-T.
T.
Now let's make a sentence with the word pit. Can you say, there is a pit in the middle of the peach?
There's a pit in the middle of the peach.
Good job. Okay, let's go over here. This is a picture of a jacket. And what is he doing to the jacket? He's zipping it. The word is zip. But there's a letter missing here on the word zip. Can you guess what letter?
A Z.
That's right, a Z. Let's spell the word and put it on the board. Zip is spelled Z-I-P.
P.
Now let's make a sentence with the word zip. Can you say, he will zip the jacket up?
He will zip the jacket up.
Good job. Okay, next one. Here we have a picture of the lip. Yes, but here it's missing a letter in the middle. Do you know which letter?
The I.
That's right, the I. Let's spell the word lip and put it on the board. Lip is spelled L-I-P.
P.
Now let's make a sentence with the word lip. Can you say, I have a lip on my face?
I have a lip on my face.
Good job. Okay, here is the last one. It's a picture of a pin. Good job. But it's missing a letter here in the middle. Do you know which letter is missing?
The letter I.
That's right, the letter I. Let's spell out the word pin and put it on the board. Pin is spelled P-I-N.
N.
Good job. Now let's make a sentence with the word pin. Can you say, I push the pin into the wall?
I push the pin into the wall.
Good job. Now let's review all of the words and pictures. Fin,
Fin.
pig,
Pig.
bib,
Bib.
lid,
Lid.
wig,
Wig.
dig,
Dig.
pit,
Pit.
zip,
Zip.
lip,
Lip.
and pin.
Pin.
All of these were with the vowel letter I. Thank you for playing with me and doing our activity. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.